Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section we are going to create algorithm that will calculate how many words exist in a text. And for example, here we have a Declaration of Independence of United States as transcriptions. For example, I would just choose maybe first a few words and then we'll calculate how many words we have it. And later I will choose all of them and I will calculate. And let's go our Visual Studio and let's start writing. First I will say string text, and what it will be our text. I just come here and I copy this one and then I paste. And what I do, because all text in the end we have a dot or point, I just want to put later I will remove from the trim, just I put, let's say this is our sentence, and we'll calculate how many words inside our sentence. So I will first create a for loop. It will start from 0 and until text and length. And now here I will also create int as a counter, because we will count how many words we have it. I set it 0. And now here I will put my condition. I will say if text I equal to space. If it is space, for example, after we are done with this we and there is space, this is one word. And I will continue. I will say or text I equal dot. For example, in the sentence we might have a dot after hold, for example like this, or maybe like this. Then we'll again count it, and then we'll say text, let's put or text I, that time I will put comma or text I equal, and then I will say semicolon, or text I equal, that time I will say colon. I think that's pretty much it. And if any of this condition we have it, then we'll increase our counter. But there is something I just want to tell. For example, after the self-evidence we have comma, then we have a space. So it shouldn't, because this is only one word. I say if after this one our counter is increased by 1, then when it comes to space it will again try to increase it. So in here basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. I just consider this one as 1. It's 8 words. So after any of this condition, if we have a space, we'll just jump this one. How we'll do? I will say if, for example, let's say this is 15, yeah, is as a, for example, text I is 15 is equal here. Then 16, if it is space, then I will jump it. I will put a statement like this. I say text I plus 1 equal space. If it is space, then I will just increase I. When I increase I, simply will jump this one. We'll have it will no longer count this space as a word. So in the end here we say console write line. We say there are, let's put here, let's say counter. For example, if we have like 8 words in the text, it should be like this. Let's first calculate, and also I told I have to delete this this one. You know, if I don't delete this one, it will give error. Let's first try. As you see that I got error. The reason, for example, if it comes, for example, text I is my length, let's say 20. If it comes 20 and try to calculate 21, because it will be, we don't have it, it will give error. We don't have 21. It is last length is 20, it will give error. So that's why I have to remove that dot here. The way I do it, I will say text equal text trim, and then I will put dot here. Now I remove that one. Now let's calculate for how many words we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should give me 8. No, it gives 7. Why it happened like this? We check it again. We made a mistake maybe here. I think I found my mistake. For example, it will first, when it comes to this space, it say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will not calculate this one. And after this one, we remove that dot. There is nothing, you know. It will not increase anymore. So I think I have to start my counter from 1. And let's try it. It is 8 words. Yeah. And let's go this independence, and let's copy this one, and let's paste here. First, don't put dot, and let's count it. We say until here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It should give me 17. If even I put dot in the end, and let's run it, we have 17. Now we come here. This is Declaration of Independence of United States. I will just copy all of them until here, and let's come here and let's paste it. How many words we have inside our independence, and let's run it. We have 1332 words in Declaration of Independence of United States. I think that's it. That's it, guys. I hope you like my channel, and see you in next video. Here, for example, here we have and it will jump another line. For example, I can remove all of these things until here. Here we have only 2 words. Let's try it. Is it 2 or not? So let's close this one, and it says 3. Why it happened like this? Let's put breakpoint here. And this is my counter. And this thing also is count, you know. In real text, we don't have this kind of things, because when we write anything on the words, we have space, and these things, it just, when I copy paste, it comes. I think it's not very necessary. And let's I put here. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 12. And after this one, it will go to this R. It will again count. Actually, we can put another condition for this ones, you know, or R maybe. Because I don't know how this is Visual Studio, how it calculates these things. We can put even a condition there. Anyway, a real text is not like this. When we copy paste, for example, here, let's stop this one. If we are able to remove all this, we have too many. Now I removed all, and this is our pure Declaration of Independence. Because the way I copy it, you know, it just jump, like, for example, some line is empty, that's why. And let's run it and get the exact words, how many words we have it inside it. 1332. That's exactly it is. Anyway, guys, see you in next video. If you like my channel, please subscribe.